Hello, this is going to be a short tutorial to show you the 3 eBeam icons in software that come with your eBeam. These items of software should be installed when you first start using the eBeam, and if they're not available on your laptop or computer, please let me know or submit a work order to have the software added to your profile. So you're going to have 3 icons. You have eBeam Home, eBeam Scrapbook, and eBeam Tool Palette. This tutorial will not cover the eBeam Tool Palette because I'm not hooked up to an eBeam, so I can't pull it up right now. But it will cover eBeam Home and eBeam Scrapbook. So when you click on the eBeam Home icon, this is what pops up. The eBeam Home is kind of like a home page for using the eBeam in instruction. You have your Scrapbook icon here, so you can get to the Scrapbook from here, or your desktop icon, web resources, eBeam tutorials, your default web browser. Mine is Chrome, so that's why Chrome is showing up. Encyclopedia Britannica. You can open up PowerPoint, and then these 2 folders, My Scrapbook and My Recordings, those were created when you installed the eBeam software. So the Scrapbook will be where you save any presentations that you use the Scrapbook for, and then Recordings will be anything that is recorded when you teach. Lesson Exchange is going to take you to the eBeam site, Educator Portal. You do have to create a free account, but once you create an account with the Educator Portal, you can actually browse lessons that other teachers have posted using their eBeams. So that's another resource. But back home. Okay, I'm going to click on Scrapbook and open up the Scrapbook. And I'm going to maximize it. Now, whenever you open your eBeam Scrapbook, you're always going to see all of your slides on the left and then your current slide in the middle, similar to PowerPoint. On the right, you're going to have a gallery, and this is where you have some options to import resources that came standard with the Scrapbook software. If you look at dynamic content, this is where you can actually drag and drop a timer, or the last item is a calculator. So you can actually use these in your lesson, embed it, and have it with your bell ringer. The timer does go off, so you can set it and start. So this could be where you can import those tools and have them directly in your presentation rather than using them on a separate website or switching windows. So if I wanted to write exclusively on this slide, I would just write on this slide. But I am going to import a PowerPoint. So to import, you go to File, Import Merge, and then right now it's not going to be able to find any PowerPoints because of the files of type. It's looking for a Scrapbook file, but I'm just going to click on the drop-down menu and switch it to PowerPoint presentation. And you can see I have all these PowerPoint presentations, so I'm going to click on Tu habites en quelle sorte de maison, and then it will import my PowerPoint. It's always going to ask you how many slides do you want to import. Do you want to import all of them or just pick one slide? So I'm going to click on Load Many Images and use them for new pages. So there I can see all of my slides, and I do have the slide that I used first, but maybe I don't want this slide. So if I had my pencil on it and I had made some doodles that I wanted to erase, I would just click on the eraser, and it's going to clear the page of everything, including the timer and the calculator. So those are all gone. That's how you erase a page. But if I want to completely delete a page, I'm going to click on the big black X, and the page will go away. If I wanted to add a page, I would click on the new page icon that has a green plus on it. And just like PowerPoint, you can drag and drop slides where you would like them to be. So I'm going to switch that back. So you can see this is exactly my PowerPoint that I imported. All of the text, all of the images are the same. And if my eBeam was plugged in, I could draw on this PowerPoint. So how you navigate it, go to the top and you just press these buttons, which you can also use the eBeam remote, the BlackBerry-esque device, to do that as well. So those are some eBeam basics. Feel free to look through the gallery and see what else you can drag and drop into your slideshows. Thanks for watching.